couple bad ideas. Said this thing's ours till the motor quits. Now we're counting weekends like lottery picks. You want Friday, I want dawn. You text me, man, where's she gone? The trailer's gone, the dock is bare. Guess somebody beat me there. We ain't fighting over money, we ain't fighting who's in charge. Just 24 feet of fiberglass and a place to chase the stars. You say it's your turn, I say check the plan. You're waving that calendar around again. One boat, two captains, same old story. Burning up the phone instead of burning fuel. By sunset we're laughing, sharing one more story. Cause life's too short to waste a whole summer here. Tomorrow we'll argue, today we'll float. Best bad decision, buying that boat. Oh, you filled the tank, I stocked the gear. You caught the fish, I steered us clear. You swear I left the ropes a mess. I blame the wind and nothing less. Everybody at the marina knows how this little soap opera goes. Who's got the keys? Who's got the pass? Round and round like we're chasing our way. When the engine starts, the noise dies down. The shoreline shrinks, so do the frowns. Funny how a little open water makes brothers out of fools. You take Saturday, I'll take Sunday. Meet in the cove by the end of the day. One boat, two dreamers, both a little stubborn. Neither one of us is ever gonna sell. Raise 'em high to the deal we made, even if it drives us both insane. We'll keep on bickering till we're old and gray, long as that boat keeps finding the bay. So here's to the boat and the trouble it brings. The memories, the miles, the ridiculous things. We bought it together, we'll fight till we float. Two captains, one crazy little boat.